Welcome to our video on 10 mind-blowing facts about the human brain. Our brains are the most complex and fascinating organs in our bodies, and they play a vital role in shaping our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through some of the most surprising and inspiring discoveries about the human brain. From its incredible capacity for memory to its ability to rewire itself, get ready to be amazed by these mind-blowing facts. So let's dive in and explore the wonders of the human brain. 10 mind-blowing facts about the human brain. Did you know that your brain has more connections than there are stars in the Milky Way galaxy? Or that you're more likely to remember something you read out loud than something you read silently? These are just a couple of the mind-blowing facts we'll be exploring in this video about the human brain. So get ready to have your mind blown as we uncover the secrets of the most complex organ in the human body. Moving up the list as the 10th mind-blowing fact. Did you know that your brain never stops changing? Even as you watch this video, your genius is continuously rewiring itself primarily based on your experiences and behaviors. This process, recognized as neuroplasticity, is what approves us to learn, adapt, and develop in the course of our lives. Did you comprehend that your genius can bodily trade its shape in response to new experiences? This potential is that if you research a new talent or interact with a new activity, your genius will create new neural pathways to accommodate this new information. Neuroplasticity can additionally manifest as a result of talent damage or disease. In some cases, the genius can even reorganize itself to compensate for misplaced features or damage. Next, as the 9th mind-blowing fact on our list, did you know that the human brain is that it's capable of generating electricity? Neurons, the cells that make up the brain, use electrical impulses to talk with every other, and this undertaking can be detected and measured with the use of an electroencephalogram. The electrical undertaking of intelligence is so effective that it can be harnessed to manipulate exterior devices, such as prosthetic limbs. This is accomplished through the use of brain-computer interface, which translate the brain's electrical indicators into instructions that can be used to manipulate exterior devices. Research in this area is ongoing, and scientists are exploring new approaches to harness the electricity of the brain's electrical undertaking to enhance the lives of people with disabilities. Moving up the list as the 8th mind-blowing fact. Did you know that the human brain is capable of generating new brain cells throughout our lives? This process, regarded as neurogenesis, happens in the hippocampus, a place of intelligence concerned with getting to know and memory. While it was once thought that we had been born with a constant variety of intelligent cells that would steadily die off over time, we now recognize that the genius can create new neurons in response to sure stimuli, such as exercise, learning, and stress. This discovery has thrilling implications for the therapy of genius issues and injuries. Researchers are exploring methods to stimulate neurogenesis in the genius to promote restoration and repair. Next, as the 7th mind-blowing fact on our list, did you know that the human brain is the most energy-hungry organ in the body? Despite making up solely 2% of the body's weight, the genius consumes about 20% of the body's energy. This excessive strength demand is due to the truth that intelligence is continuously active, even when we're asleep. Intelligence makes use of extra strength at some point in sleep than it does when we're wide awake and alert. The intelligence receives its electricity from glucose, a kind of sugar. This is located in the blood. When glucose stages in the talent drop, we can also trip a drop in cognitive characteristics or even fainting. Moving up the list as the 6th mind-blowing fact. Did you know that the human brain is capable of incredible feats of processing power? It's estimated that the talent can procedure at a price of up to 120 meters per second, or roughly the pace of a Formula 1 race car. This first-rate processing strength is due in phase to the reality that intelligence is made up of billions of neurons that are continuously speaking with every other. Each neuron can ship and obtain indicators to and from heaps of different neurons, developing a complicated community of statistics processing. The processing energy of the talent is so high quality that even the most superior computer systems in the world nevertheless cannot healthy it. Next, as the fifth mind-blowing fact on our list, did you know that the human brain is incredibly adaptable and can change its structure in response to new experiences? This capability is acknowledged as neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity lets in the talent to shape new neural connections and fortify current ones, which is critical for gaining knowledge of and memory. It's additionally what approves the intelligence to get better from injuries, such as strokes or hectic intelligence injuries. Researchers have located that the brain's potential to alternate and adapt is best throughout childhood. However, it continues during our lives. This capacity that we can proceed to research and improve new abilities properly into adulthood. So, the next time you research a new talent or project yourself in a new way, take note that your talent is altering and adapting to meet the needs of the new experience. Moving up the list, as the fourth mind-blowing fact, did you know that the human brain is wired for social connection? Studies have proven that social isolation can have a poor impact on bodily and intellectual health, highlighting the significance of social connection for our well-being. One purpose for this is that social connection prompts the brain's reward system, which releases feel-good chemical substances like dopamine and oxytocin. This can assist decrease stress, extend emotions of happiness, and even increase our immune system. Lookup has discovered that social connection is one of the strongest predictors of usual well-being and happiness. So, the next time you are feeling down, attempt achieving out to a pal or cherished one. Your talent and physique will thank you for it. Next, as the third mind-blowing fact on our list, did you know that the human brain is capable of creating its version of reality? Our brains interpret the world around us based totally on our man or woman experiences, beliefs, and expectations, which can now and then lead to variations in understanding among specific people. For example, an equal object may also show up in another way to two human beings based totally on their previous experiences or modern beliefs. Our brains additionally can fill in lacking information, which is why we may additionally no longer continually be aware of adjustments in our surroundings, or may additionally see matters that are not honestly there. This potential to create our model of truth is acknowledged as perceptual bias and can have both effective and terrible outcomes in our lives. On the one hand, it lets us see the world through special methods and can lead to creativity and innovation. On the different hand, it can additionally lead to misunderstandings and conflicts. Moving up the list, as the second mind-blowing fact, did you know that the human brain is capable of incredible feats of memory? Our brains can save and retrieve massive quantities of information, from our earliest reminiscences to our most current experiences. One of the keys to this brilliant reminiscence ability is the hippocampus, a small however effective shape in the talent that performs a vital function in the formation and retrieval of memories. The hippocampus is additionally concerned with spatial navigation and the processing of emotional experiences. However, our reminiscence is no longer infallible, and we all ride forgetfulness from time to time. This is due to the fact reminiscence retrieval relies upon a range of factors, along with attention, motivation, and context. So, the next time you are struggling to consider something, attempt to recreate the context or surroundings in which the reminiscence used to be formed. This may additionally assist jog your reminiscence and retrieve the statistics you are searching for. Finally, as the first mind-blowing fact on our list, did you know that the human brain is the most complex structure in the known universe? With over 100 billion neurons and trillions of connections between them, human talent is the most complicated and effective organ in our bodies. Despite a long time of research, scientists nonetheless have an awful lot to research about the complexities of the human brain. For example, we nevertheless do not wholly apprehend how awareness arises from neural activity, or how the genius is capable to create subjective experiences like feelings and perceptions. However, researchers proceed to make top-notch breakthroughs in our perception of the brain, which has the viable to liberate new remedies for neurological issues and enhance our usual best of life. And there you have it, 10 mind-blowing facts about the human brain. From its incredible capacity for memory to its ability to create its version of reality, the human brain truly is an amazing organ. So, the next time you find yourself in awe of the power and complexity of the human brain, take a moment to appreciate all that it can do. Thank you for watching.